Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Cricut Joy. I know you guys have probably seen a million of these, but I want to do my own. Now we'll do the unboxing. There we go. I thought that it was stuck. Look how cute! In the box, we've got this little folder that says "Open Me." We'll take that out. And then looks like there's the power cord. The rest of the power cord. And then there's a little pen in here. Super simple packaging. I like that. And then I'm going to open the little folder. It says, let's get started. Go to Cricut.com/setup. We'll walk you through every step. Smart vinyl sample. That's this. You'll insert this smart material when the screen prompts you. The blade is already installed. It cuts intricate shapes with ease. Now go to Cricut.com/create. You'll learn how to use these items and more. Adhesive mat, deluxe paper sample, and fine point pen. And then here's the mat. And then the warranty. Okay, so we'll put all that aside, and then okay, let's plug this guy in. And I have no idea where to plug it. Oh, okay. So the plug is gonna go right here. Okay, I'm just gonna open it. There's that. And then there's this film right here. Okay. Wow, that's so little and so cute. It's teeny tiny. I'm excited. My husband's more excited than I am. He wants me to make banners for his office. Okay, I'm just gonna scoot this back a little teeny tiny bit so you can see my phone. I'm going to machine setup. Cricut Joy. Plug in Joy and power on. Make sure the Bluetooth on your device is turned on. So I'm going to connect. It says machine updates. Let's make sure you've got the latest and greatest features. I'm going to click update. So the little light's blinking up there. Okay, now I'm going to press reconnect. Success, your machine is up to date. and it says register machine. I'm going to click by registering machine. You agree to Cricut terms of use. Register. You're all set up. Your Joy is registered and set up. Continue. Let's test a cut. Select an image to get started. Let's try that one. Next. Prepare for cut. Step 1, confirm the blade is set in place with the clamp closed. It is. Step 2, insert smart vinyl under the guides and up against rollers to auto feed. Go. It says cut in progress. It's done. Okay, it says test cut complete, and I'm going to click on unload. That's it. Remove the cut image from the backer. Keep learning at cricut.com/more. Okay. I don't generally like this weeding tool. I mean, it's good for like paper, but I'm gonna get my pin pen. This is a pin pen weeding tool from 651 vinyl. It weeds so much better. This vinyl is interesting. Seems like it's a better vinyl than we normally encounter with Cricut. So that's there. So we're in the canvas, and I'm going to select images. We could draw this. Let's try to draw that. Make it on matte. And it says draw right up there. And click continue. Medium cardstock. Load tools and material. Tap go. Then why does it say unload? Okay. That was a little dumb. For me, on my end. Okay, so we're gonna tap go. So it says, unload material. Your project is complete. Unload your material. And that's a close-up of what it looks like. It's pretty good. I like it. I love the 0.4 pens. These are my favorites. So anyway, guys, just wanted to do an unboxing of that. And I hope you guys enjoyed that. And I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching.